Welcome back. Welcome back. Xpeng had good news on the earnings. Let's get into it. It's popping right now. This is Miss Moneymaker. Anything that moves. This is the pre-market going on. Let me get my mark. This is what's happening right now. Oh my gosh, did we pop up here to $9.20 already? Okay, this is the 2-minute time frame on good earnings. Let's get to it. Let me just pull this up. Everything is happening. Alrighty, that's the daily chart. But why are we having all this news? Because Xpeng, sees Q2 vehicles deliveries. What? Now, different media is saying different numbers, but we're up there saying 25 to 38% on year. That's what one person saying. Then over here, we're seeing 48 to 64%, on the year for Q2. Either way, all these numbers are good. That's coming in. Hold on. Do you see this is the graph up here showing like how we popped up right there? Okay, this is Q1 from before, when Q1 where they were saying something, but that's not what we're dealing with right now. Let's keep moving on. Okay, here we go. It was saying the margin, Q1 margin, 5.5% versus negative of 2.5%. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, but this is where we're at right now. Okay, just wanted to show you. Sees Q2 vehicles, the deliveries. We're up 25% to 38% on the year. Wanted to make sure I brought you that. Hold on. Let's just go back to what the stock is doing. So, if you're seeing this right now, okay, what does that mean? Okay, we're trading right here. Okay, so we came back down to $8.81. What happens if it comes back up here? How much money is this? Let's just look. I'm here for the technicals. Okay, so if you buy now and we pop back up to the $9.20, look at the fourth line in that blue floating, the fifth line in that blue floating box, 4.19%, okay? That's what that's saying, okay? If we go back up to this pre-market high. But let me show you something else. On this good news, are we going to go from where we're at now? This is the daily time frame, okay? Are we going to go from where we're at now back to, see this green candle, to that kind of high? If we go from where we're at now, $8.28, well, hold on, pre-market high, we're trading high, right? If we go from where we're at to this past candle here, we can have a rise of 10%. Okay, if we go back up to this other level where we were before, then we can have a rise of, looking at the third line, third number, okay, in that blue floating graph, 21.75%. So let's just say 21 to 22%. All right. Okay, let me just draw a trend line for people who need these trend lines. Okay, so can we go here? Or would we be able to do something like this and go here to that dollar amount? Okay, dollar amounts over here, like on the side. You can figure where they are right here. Okay, on the side. So is that what's coming? Okay, we need a little bit of projections and everything like that. When the market opens, it could sell off a little bit. Hold on, people taking profits. Back to, sorry about all this jumping around, back to the 2-minute time frame up here, okay, since we popped up high. So when the market opens, like later on, it's going to be a lot of moving, okay, but around 9:30, will we just go like straight up and keep going and not look back, hold my beer kind of thing? Or will some people who bought low down in this area and stuff, will they take their profits and we sell off a little bit, okay, down and then swoop back up? There's a lot of different ways it can go. Okay, so, and then, how long will this last? Is this now the thing? I mean, is it on its way now? So is it on its way now? Is the trouble over and we're just going to ride up high and everything? So just remember, daily time frame again, expect some trouble around $9.50. Expect some trouble around $10.50. And especially up here, this 200-day moving average, $13. But, right now, Xpeng fans, be happy. Be happy, okay? This is your time. You're in your glory. It's making this move. So, I'm happy. I want to leave you with a little quote and everything. Efforts and courage are not enough without purpose and direction. This is John F. Kennedy. So remember, efforts and courage are not enough without purpose and direction. Is Xpeng finding its direction? Okay. Is it finding its direction? We'll see. I just wanted to bring you that. Okay. See you next time on Anything That Moves. Bye for now.